Hey, what's going on YouTube? BD Kane 721. Happy Wednesday. Hope everybody's doing well. It's a little bit of a wet and rainy Wednesday here in the San Diego area, so it's nice to be inside, getting some work done. And I'm catching up on the hobby. The 2026 Top Series 1 product is out, and I've been watching a few videos on that. The card design looks really cool this year, I think. Once I get it in hand and take a closer look at it, I think I'm going to be impressed by it. So I'm looking forward to that. Now, my primary PC, Manny Machado, is formally not in Series 1. His base card, I'm assuming, will be in Series 2. He does have some inserts that I'll be chasing here in Series 1, but more than likely I'll have to wait until Series 2 before I do some real searching for his cards and his parallels. Looking forward to that, and looking forward to getting some of that product in hand. But today I want to show on the channel cards that I'm going to be submitting to PSA. This week, the West Coast Card Show is happening. Starts tomorrow, I believe, is the first day. I'll be heading over there on Friday for the entire day, catching up with some YouTubers and obviously looking around the show, hoping to find some good stuff, but also submitting some cards to PSA. My good buddy Ken over at Ken's Cardboard will be submitting alongside with me. He'll be adding some cards to the order and getting over that threshold for the Collectors Club reduced fee, so that really helps me out. I appreciate that, Ken. Thank you for doing that. So I'll meet up with him and get these cards submitted. I only have 7 cards. Yeah, geez, I can't count all of a sudden. But I have 7 cards that I'm going to be submitting. It's been harder and harder to find cards in my collection that I really want to submit. PSA has been very, very tough on grading recently. I've been watching videos about it. I experienced it when we submitted cards back at the West Coast Card Show in August of last year. The cards that came back had a very low gem rate. So I'm trying to be a little bit more particular about which cards I submit, making sure that they're all in good shape, really. So let's start off with the first card, which is going to be this 2018 of Fernando Tatis Jr. Bowman Chrome Blue Shimmer. Had this card for quite a while. In fact, I had even done a review on the card before, put a green sticker on it to tell me that it's pretty much worth grading. Looks like it's in great shape. These are numbered at a 150. It's hard to read the number because of the shimmer, but still, cool card. I don't collect as much Tatis as I used to, and this is just one of those cards that I collected several years ago when his marketability was very, very high. Today, he's still a popular player, but nowhere near what he used to be. And then the other one from the PC is this, I believe it's 2022, if I read that correctly, of Allen and Ginter Chrome Mini Gold, numbered out of 50. Looks like it's in great shape. I really love this one touch that has the cutout for the mini cards. I'll have to find another mini in my collection to put into this when I submit the Tatis card. So a couple of Tatis cards from the PC. And then a couple of cards that I'm only grading really because they don't fit, or I'm not really interested in keeping them in the collection anymore, and I want to try to get them into the hands of people who want them, which basically means selling them on eBay. First one is this Brandon Crawford Color Match Orange Refractor from 2023 Topps Chrome. Topps Chrome, it's just a true orange, and it's number 23 of 25. Brandon Crawford, I think, retired, a couple years ago. He was a pretty big fan favorite for the organization for quite a while. Excellent shortstop. Offensively, I don't know that he was all that great, but he was pretty durable for his career, and I think had a pretty decent career. But I'm hoping that there's a Giants fan out there that's looking for those types of cards. Nice color match of Brandon Crawford, low numbered. Same with this one. Ha-Seong Kim is no longer on the Padres, as you all probably know by now. He is in the Braves organization. I believe right now he's going to be on the IL to start the season, I think, if I read the article correctly. But this is an auto from Topps Chrome Platinum. This card is numbered out of 99. I believe this is called like the Blue Toily version. Not sure how you pronounce it, but being an auto and a low-numbered card, I thought maybe somebody out there would be a Ha-Seong Kim fan, maybe would want to pick that up for a decent price. Both of those cards look good. I'm hoping they come back 10s, but the way PSA is grading these days, I highly doubt it. So 9s would be fine. Can't have a submission without putting an Ohtani in there. I picked this one up at the last West Coast card show back in August. This is the Topps Now from 2018. Number 4 of Ohtani, the moment of the year. There's several of these, different numbering. But it does have the rookie card stamp on it. So I like that part of this card, and it looks fantastic. So I'm going to send this in and hope it gets a nice grade. As we all know, there's definite Ohtani fans out there that would maybe like that card. And then a couple cards from one of my favorite players, not on the Padres, but I get to see him play quite often because he's in a Dodgers uniform. And that is Freddie Freeman. I don't think he's an underrated player, but I think that his popularity around the league may be less than it should be. This is from 2023 Topps Chrome. This is the Orange Wave, so same set as the Brandon Crawford, but this is the Orange Wave. That's the true orange. These are numbered out of 25. The cool part about this card, not only that it's in great shape, but it's actually numbered 5 of 25. And if you're a Freddie Freeman fan, you know his number is number 5. So it is a jersey number card. So I thought that was a neat characteristic of it, plus that it's in good shape, and thought that would be a good one to get slabbed up. Now the last card is a bigger story of my collection that I'll get into in another video someday. I'm abandoning some sets from my Topps Chrome collection from years ago that are going to be very difficult for me to finish. And like I said, I'll talk about that in a future video at some point. But I've been going through them, picking out some cards that look like they're worthy of sending to PSA to see what kind of grade they can get. And this just happens to be one of them. And again, it's a Freddie Freeman from 2014 Topps Chrome Black. These are numbered out of 100. This is number 84 of 100. It got the green stamp at one point in my history here. And so I think Freddie Freeman's rookie card was 2011. So it's about a third or fourth year card for him. And it's in great shape. It's tough to get these black refractors graded in a high grade, but I'm hoping this one will at least get that 9. A 9 in this card would make me very happy. So that's it. Those are the cards I'll be sending in this year, or this time around, for the West Coast Card Show. And hopefully within a few months, I will be able to show you the results. It'll take a while to get these cards back, but hopefully it'll be worth it. All right, guys, that's it for today. I will hopefully take some videos and some photos of my adventure on Friday, meeting some other YouTubers. That'll be a lot of fun as well. So hopefully I'll remember to take those videos and those photos so I can show it to all of you. Have a great rest of your week. I will talk to you guys soon. See ya.